You are not broke because you earn less. You are broke because no one showed truth. Most people realize late when time already slips. Now imagine something simple but extremely powerful. Two people, same age, same city, same salary. One chooses comfort, fun spending and easy choices. The other chooses discipline despite being mocked daily. One retires early while others still keep working. Fast forward years, the gap becomes painfully visible. One earns more but still feels completely stuck. Money comes in but disappears faster than ever. He survives but never truly feels free. It started with small silent decisions early on. Those same decisions are available to you now. Time is your greatest weapon right now. Not skills, not contacts, not even money. $1 early behaves completely different later. Compounding is not theory, it is real force. Your spending controls how that force behaves. Bad purchases kill future growth silently. Good purchases grow quietly in background always. Most people buy things that lose value fast. Wealthy people buy things that create value. If rules are simple, why do people fail? The system is built to distract you daily. Your brain loves reward, not long-term gain. These decisions fight your natural instincts constantly. Small inputs can create massive long-term outcomes. People think side hustles cost nothing initially. Real ones require effort, money and commitment. Your 20s allow failure without long-term damage. Fail fast, rebuild quickly and try again smarter. One success can replace years of salary. Build using skills you already understand well. Time multiplies effort in brutal, powerful ways. Small investments grow into massive future wealth. Delay destroys more wealth than bad decisions. Boring investments often work the best long term. Automate investing and remove emotional decisions completely. Big goals look scary but start very small. You are not buying assets, you buy leverage. Multiple income streams create stronger financial systems. Smart housing choices reduce living costs drastically. Time window closes faster than you expect. Avoid debt that traps you for years. Small books can change your thinking forever. Your brain learns fastest during early years. Skills compound and stay with you forever. Ignore fake gurus selling expensive, useless courses. Experiences build perspective money cannot easily buy. Learn to adapt in uncomfortable environments quickly. Self-reliance becomes your strongest hidden advantage. Use credit smartly, never carry bad debt. Your score controls future financial opportunities heavily. Stop right now and pay attention carefully. Status purchases destroy wealth silently over time. Debt chains you longer than you imagine. That same money invested builds massive wealth later. Choose simple options and avoid unnecessary expenses. People laugh now but ask later. Freedom starts by cutting unnecessary monthly payments. Some investments take time to show results. Bad habits grow and become harder later. Energy affects your earning and thinking ability. Health drives everything you build in life. You cannot build success on weak foundation. Invest in health or pay later heavily. Reset everything and think clearly now. Truth is simple but rarely followed consistently. The path exists but most ignore it. Knowledge means nothing without behavior change. You must act differently from your peers. Your brain prefers comfort and social approval. Systems exploit your short-term thinking constantly. Real question is not what to buy. Real question is who you become. Will you stand alone for future freedom? Stop asking, can I afford this now? Ask what this costs in 20 years. Small decisions create massive future consequences. Cheap knowledge creates massive long-term returns. Every dollar has a future version waiting. You either grow it or destroy it. Wealth builders are not smarter than others. They simply think long-term consistently. Start early and let time do work. Everything connects into one financial system. Each decision supports another silently in background. This is one strategy, not separate actions. Time will pass whether you act or not. Only outcome depends on your decisions today. One path leads to comfort without freedom. Other path leads to freedom with discipline. Normal life can still feel like a trap. Boring choices create extraordinary long-term freedom. Nothing here is hidden or complicated. It is simple but requires consistent action. Build income streams that grow over time. Invest before you even see the money. Enter big investments only when ready. Keep learning continuously and upgrade your thinking. Travel to expand your perspective and mindset. Avoid expenses that drain your future wealth. Maintain health to sustain long-term growth. Think in decades, not in weekends. Short-term spending fades from memory quickly. Long-term decisions shape your entire life. Future you will feel today's choices deeply. Opportunity exists right now in front of you. Will you act or let it close? If this changed your thinking, stay here. Next ideas will challenge you even more.